So today is 5th February 2023. This is my Peugeot V6 manual. So the engine has been misfiring, so I parked the car for a long time now because of that. So I've scanned it today, and it showed the cause is the cylinder 5 ignition coil control. So probably the spark plug or something. Anyway, whatever happens, I'm going to remove the intake manifold, check the spark plug and the ignition coil to know what is wrong on the cylinder 5, and then have it fixed. Whatever it is, I'll keep you guys updated. So we'll get to work.